Hello, all my fun people out there in virtual land. This is another session of Let's Measure Flow with Transonic. So if you remember a couple of years back, we talked about ELSA. And then we talked about sensors. We're going to talk about sensors again because you asked for it and we gave it to you. Distal limb reperfusion. Can you measure on that now? Maybe you can. Definitely you can. Because we've just introduced, come on down in with me, we've just introduced a size 2 sensor. And that size 2 sensor works on 1/8 inch TCP cannulas. So I'm going to connect this over to our meter. Now I'm going to show you something interesting. If you connect it to your Optima meter, you're going to see something. It's going to tell you a couple of interesting pieces of information. The first thing it's going to give you is a set of letters and numbers. And those letters and numbers are going to tell you what size sensor you have, okay? And then it's going to say to you number of uses. Well, guess what you know about your uses? On your sensors, you actually have unlimited uses. You use them for the length of time that you need them. What else do you want to know about sensors? Sensors come in multiple sizes, all right? First person out in virtual land who tells me what size sensor I just said goes on your distal limb perfusion may get a little gift from Transonic. But I'll give you some more information. What size sensors do we have? Well, my question is, what size sensor do you need? Tubes that go all the way from our 1/8 inch all the way up to, bigger than you thought you ever needed to know. But what are your standard sizes going to be? Size 6 in peds. 1/4 inch tubing, size 9s in adult, 3/8 inch tubing. But hey, perfusionists, I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted a 3/16 maybe for pediatric flows on your CP bypass? Well, guess what? I'm going to make a sensor size for you. So if you're measuring flow on tubing, in CP bypass, organ procurement, or ECMO, then Transonic is here to meet your flow needs. I'm Kiel. Welcome to Transonic.